a YouTuber explains storybook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super cool from Google called Storybook. Ever wished you could create your own picture books with just a few words? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. So what exactly is Storybook? Imagine you have an idea for a story. It could be about a brave knight, a curious astronaut, or even a talking sandwich. You just type your idea into Storybook. And here's where the magic happens. Storybook's AI, which is like a super smart creative partner, takes your words and brings them to life. It doesn't just write the story for you, it helps you build it, page by page. But a picture book isn't just about the words, right? It's about the pictures. Storybook creates beautiful illustrations for each page of your story. You can even describe what you want the pictures to look like. Let's try it out. I'm going to write a story about a little robot who wants to fly. I'll type, "Once upon a time, there was a small robot named Bolt who dreamed of flying." And just like that, Storybook gives me the first page of my story, complete with an adorable illustration of Bolt looking up at the sky. Now, I can keep adding to the story. I'll write about how Bolt builds a pair of wings from spare parts. Storybook will create a new page and a new illustration to match. You can even edit the story and the illustrations. Don't like the color of Bolt's wings? No problem. You can tell Storybook to change them. It's like having your own personal illustrator. Once you're happy with your story, you can share it with your friends and family. You can even print it out and have a real, physical copy of your very own picture book. So, that's Storybook by Google. It's an amazing tool for anyone who loves stories and wants to create something special. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.